Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to introduce the necessary drawing tools for artists. The first necessary tool are the drawing pencils. I use SLR lomograph pencils. They are B grade and you can make dark lines and soft lines with each grade. The next two drawing materials I use are General's charcoal pencil and the Bronzil graphite pencil, which I make darker lines and darker shadows with them. The other one is the SLR mechanical pencil with a 2mm lead, which is a specialized tool designed for precise and bold drawing. If you have this mechanical pencil, then you will need the 12 pieces pack of SLR Mars 2mm LEDs. You know, these packs are convenient for users who prefer having multiple LED grades on hand for different applications. And the next one is the sandpaper. It can be a useful tool for artists working with pencils, charcoal, and graphite. Artists can use sandpaper not only for initial sharpening, but also for fine-tuning the pencil point. The next one is the MOZ Eraser, and I highly recommend it. This eraser is a valuable tool for artists who require precision in their work, providing a reliable solution for detailed erasing and corrections. And the cutter, it is a perfect tool for sharpening and making fine lead. You know, not only I use sandpaper, but for making the lead so sharp and fine, I use the cutter after sharpening my lead with sandpaper. You know, and beside the sandpaper and the cutter, you need to have pencil sharpeners. There are different kind of pencil sharpeners that I use for sharpening the pencil. You know, I have the M+R pencil sharpener with different holes. It has 3 different holes, and the brass M+R pencil sharpener, and the other one is the SLR brand with 2 holes, which sharpens the pencil perfectly. And the other one is the Faber-Castell graphite or lead sharpener for making sharp tips for the leads. And the next one is the kneaded eraser. It is not a typical eraser. It is a moldable one and can be shaped to fit your needs. It allows you to lift off pencil marks with incredible control. It has no residue behind, and what's fascinating is its usefulness in shading and highlighting. Happy drawing!